today. A lot of stuff going on. Yeah. There's a special typewriter with lowercase English letters, A to Z, arranged in a circle with a pointer. Character can only be typed if the pointer is pointing to that character. The pointer is initially pointing to the character A. Right. Each second you may perform one of the following operations. Move the pointer one character counterclockwise or clockwise. Type the character the pointer is currently on. Given a string word, return the minimum number of seconds to type out the characters in Word. This is very similar to a hard question I did. Called Fallout. So I don't know why this is easy. So it takes each second to do one of these. This is a DP problem. Why is it easy? So you have ABC. If you start at A, then once, and then the next one is B. Next one is C, so you move it right, clockwise. This is definitely not an easy question. Okay. So the TP of I be the min seconds to type letters 0 to I. And that TP, and then that's the subproblem. And then the transition would be TP of I is equal to well, it would be equal to the dp of I minus 1 oh, hold on, I could just count how many moves it takes to get the pointer in the positions that we need, and then at the end just add 3, whatever. Because like if you have A, oh no, you can't add three, but subtract 1 if A is originally if the first character is A. So this one you have to add 3 to the end, but C. So you have one to move to B, 2 to move to Z. So that's 1, 2, 3. 4 to go to A, and then plus 3 more for typing each of the letters. So here I can just focus on milliseconds to get to, that is student I. Here I could say the min of dpi minus 1 okay, let me see the you have 26 letters and the current position, so if I want to move from A to B, I want to take the min of absolute value of B minus A in terms of ASCII numbers, or 26 minus, well, let's just say A minus B. So 6 minus abs of this. So that's, let's just say this is A, this is B. That's 1 or 26 minus 1. That makes sense, I think. If there are 2 characters, it takes 1 move. If there are 26 characters, it takes 25 moves to get to B. Yep. So it's dp of I minus 1 plus the min abs A minus B, 26 minus abs of A minus B. Okay, let's see if that works. For int I is equal to 0. I less than word dot size. You know what? Let's just do auto L in word. The answer is initially going to be 0. And then answer is going to be equal to the answer plus the min of, let's calculate the difference first. So, int the difference is equal to the absolute value of let's say current is equal to A, absolute value of current minus B. Current minus what? L. So it's the min of the difference, or 26 minus the difference. And make sure I update the current to be equal to L. No, let's call it previous, that makes more sense. And then do answer plus equals to word dot size. if the word if word 0 is equal to A, answer minus minus, return answer. Oh, is it? I still have to type each letter. So that's why this is 5. Okay, that makes sense. That's 7. Okay, let's try the base case of 1. So A should be just 1. A, C, B. Let's just do like a lot of letters. Yeah, seems to work. Awesome. I wouldn't even worry about this.